Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It really helps grow my channel. Today we're going to be making a full week's meal prep. It's going to include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. It will include overnight oats, yogurt parfaits, roasted veggies, coconut salmon, and a garlic lemon chicken shawarma bowl. So let's get started. So first things first, I started with my marinade for the chicken. I combined olive oil, fresh cilantro, minced garlic, and lemon juice. For the seasoning, I'm using chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, a little bit of red pepper flakes for a little bit of heat, salt and pepper to taste, chicken bouillon, and lemon zest. Mix that all together, let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but I prefer overnight for maximum flavor. Then after that, you want to bake it at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. Next up, we've got the tzatziki sauce. I used whole plain Greek yogurt, minced garlic, and grated cucumber. Just make sure to squeeze out all the water. Then I add fresh dill and mint if you have it, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. This is simple, it's fresh. I always have it handy in the fridge because it goes with everything and it just helps eating healthy easier. Now for the overnight oats, I like to blitz the oats in my food processor just for a little bit to get a smoother texture. Then I added chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and chocolate chips. Also some fresh strawberries. You can get creative, you can do whatever you want at this point, but this is what I added and it comes out great every single time. It's super easy and it's a grab and go type of breakfast. Next, the yogurt parfaits. These are another one of my favorites. I start by adding frozen berries to a pan with raw honey, chia seeds, and about half a cup of water. Let that warm up until it softens and then blend it up. This is an example of what I mean when I say simple ingredients that actually do something for your body. Because let's look at this. The chia seeds give you fiber. The honey gives you natural sweetness. You get healthy fats from the coconut clusters, and the coconut clusters have pumpkin, sunflower, and hemp seeds. I don't even know what each one is good for, but I just know it's good for me. It's simple, but it works. And now for the roasted veggies, I'm using sweet potatoes, bell peppers, onion, and zucchini. You can use whatever mixture you like. Just make sure the veggies have about the same cook time and you should be good. You want to start by dicing your sweet potatoes and then drizzle them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and then get those in the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. While those are going in the oven, you can prep your other veggies and then season them, drizzle them with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and add balsamic vinegar as well. For these veggies, I put 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Now add them back to the sweet potatoes. They should be soft now. Add them back, let them join the party, and put them back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. After that, they should be perfect. They come out perfect every single time. If you're someone who doesn't like veggies or anything like that, try this out and let me know how you like it. Next, I used this apple smoked cheddar cheese and cut it into tiny cubes like this. Then I put it together into snack packs with the cheese, turkey sausage, and crackers. It's simple, but again, it keeps you from reaching for the wrong things, so then it keeps you consistent. And now for my favorite part this week, the coconut salmon. You want to start by clean your salmon fillets and then pat them dry with paper towels. Then drizzle them with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Make sure you rub them down real well so they're coated all over. And then next, you want to go ahead and add olive oil into a pan. Let it heat up and then add your salmon in there. Cook it for about 3 minutes per side, not too long because it will continue cooking in the sauce. Remove them and set them aside, and in the same pan, add your onion and bell pepper mixture. This gives it so much flavor and beautiful color. Then go in with your garlic and ginger. And then for my seasoning, I used curry powder, Jamaican curry powder, and then fresh thyme leaves. Let that cook down and then add in your coconut milk. I also added a little bit of heavy cream for richness and about a cup of water mixed with chicken bouillon. Let that cook down well, let it come together, and I promise you the sauce comes out good. It comes out delicious every single time. Try it out and let me know how you like it. I also made a quick Mediterranean salad to go with the chicken shawarma bowl. It's fresh, it's simple, and again, it balances everything out. Alright guys, this is everything I prepped this week. Now I'm packing everything up. The coconut salmon I paired with roasted veggies and jasmine rice. The garlic lemon chicken, I paired that with yellow rice, the Mediterranean salad, tzatziki, and shawarma sauce that I made. Everything is made with real whole ingredients. It's high protein, it's balanced, and actually enjoyable because nutrition does matter as well. This is how I managed to stay consistent without overcomplicating things. And this is how I also managed to just make this a lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also share it with someone you think it would help. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!